advanced filter in Excel. In this session, we will learn how to make use of advanced filter option present in Excel. So, we already know how to make use of filter buttons. The advanced filter is present in Data tab, Sort and Filter group. So, the advanced filter helps to filter the selected data as per the criteria set by the user. So, unlike regular filter, it helps in solving complex criteria. So, in filter there are some limitations for using multiple conditions or multiple criteria. So, advanced filter helps you to make use of multiple criteria, and at the same time it will also help you to copy the extracted information to another location or another sheet. Let us now learn how to make use of advanced filter. Let us take up an example. We are having an example of table with employee ID, name, department, salary and city column. So, we know that how to make use of filter, enable or disable the filter button and to filter the data. So, now let us try using advanced filter option and work with this data. So, I will take up a small example, that is we want to filter the table based on city name, that is Chennai. That means we want to extract the information with record having city name as Chennai. So, to do that, first of all you should have the table record is present here. Second very important thing is we have to define the criteria using the header, column header name and provided in a different cell location. The criteria should be placed in a separate cell from the table. So, this is our main table and this is our criteria. So, how we are going to write the criteria? That means I am going to type the city and then I am using the name as the criteria, that is Chennai. That means this indicates that city equal to Chennai. So, how to work with this? Let us see. So, first of all let us understand this advanced filter option. What are there in this advanced filter option? First let us understand this. So, there are three important things, that is list range, criteria and copy to. So, first thing is filter the list in place. That means as we did in our previous example using filter, we can filter the data based on the criteria in the same place. That means it will hide the record or it will show the record. So, that is one thing. So, let us first try how to do that. See here, I am using filter the list in place. So, this is my criteria, this is my list range, we call it as list range, that means table. Criteria range, click on the criteria range, select the criteria in this way, that means A14 colon A15. So, I will click the OK button. I am not using copy to another location option. So, let us look at the example later. So, this is going to filter in place. So, this is temporarily hidden and it is showing this. So, you can use the clear button option as we did for filter, we can use the clear option. So, once again it will be displayed. That means I am not using the filter button, I am using a criteria present in another location. So, I can use the clear button to remove the filter. So, this is a regular method what we are doing. I will take up one more example. Say for example, I will do it here, salary. So, make sure the spellings are correct. Okay, spellings are correct in this. Heading spellings are correct. Greater than or equal to say for example 16,000. So I'll do this. First select the table or list range, go to advanced, then this is list range is selected. You can cross check that. This is how the list range is selected. Criteria range, I will remove the criteria range and I will use this second option, that is C14 colon C50. So this is the criteria range. Click the OK button. Observe this. So wherever the salary is greater than or equal to 16,000 is displayed here. So other records are hidden. That means in 11 records, only 8 records are highlighted. So once again, to remove this, the filter, use the clear option from data type, sort and filter group. So this is how we can use the advanced filter. Now let us explore some more problems using this advanced filter. And now we will see how we can make use of the list and filter the data or filter the record based on criteria and make sure that the data is copied and pasted in another location using advanced filter. So we are not doing the filter in place. We are making it the filter to be available in another location. Let us see how to work with that. Select the table. So to do this, we will use the same example, that is city equals Chennai. Let me start with that. So first select the table, then click on data tab, advanced filter. So click on this. So instead of filter the list in place, I am using copy to another location. This is first thing what you have to do. So after clicking on this copy to another location, so make sure the list range is selected properly. Then click on the criteria range. Say remove the criteria range whatever is present. So select the appropriate criteria range. That means the header associated with the criteria. So that is taken as city Chennai. Now copy to another location. Remove whatever is there. So click on where you want the output, that is filtered record to be copied, the location to which the filtered information to be copied. Click the OK button. Observe the output. See here. So there is Chennai 1, 2 and 3 records are present. Same thing we can see the output. That means it is doing the filter, at the same time it is providing it in another location. We will take up some more examples to understand this filter, that is advanced filter option better. So let us see how to make use of AND condition. That means say for example city, instead of doing this I will just copy this, you see, city, I will paste it here, city, and I want salary header. Okay, I want city to be Chennai and salary should be greater than or equal to 16,000. That means AND condition. So if I give in this way, this is treated as AND condition. That means city equals Chennai and salary greater than or equal to 16,000. So let us see how to do this using advanced filter. Now our criteria range will be both, that means A25 to B26. So this put together will become our criteria range. Okay, let us start with our example now. First select the table, okay, then go to advanced. So click on copy to another location. So list range is correct. So criteria range, this is where exactly we have to work. That is criteria range is city and salary column. That is city should be Chennai and salary should be greater than or equal to 16,000. So where we have to place this output. So remove this. Just click the cursor where you want. I want this output in A28. I am clicking it. So click the OK button. So now you see this. So this is how the AND condition will work. So let us see how to get the output for this. That means using OR condition. As of now we know how to make use of AND condition. Let us try to use this OR condition. I will use city and salary column to give the criteria. City should be Chennai, or salary should be greater than or equal to 16,000. So this is my criteria range. Observe this properly. Okay, carefully observe this. So how to make use of OR criteria here. So this one, previous one was AND criteria. That means city should be Chennai and salary should be greater than or equal to 16,000. Both should be true. Here either city is Chennai is also okay. Salary greater than or equal to 16,000 is also okay. So first let us understand this by looking at our table. So see, using Chennai there are 3 records are there, 1, 2 and 3. In that 1 is not having salary greater than or equal to 16,000. That is one thing. And apart from that, salary greater than or equal to 16,000, there are some more records. That means here you see city is Chennai but salary is greater than or equal to 16,000. Calcutta is there. So similarly there are other records which matches the criteria of salary greater than or equal to 16,000 or Chennai, or city name is Chennai. So let us see this output now. So work in the same way what we did in the previous example. So select the table, or you can place the cursor and you can make use of advanced filter. So that is also okay. I will just click on this, select this, then go to data tab and make use of advanced filter. In this, copy to another location is on. So list range is correct. I want to change the criteria range now. You see. So understand carefully, the criteria range is this put together. That means city, that is A34 colon B36. So put together, this is our criteria range where we want the output. So remove this, click the cursor where you want, that is A39. I want the output to be placed in A39. You see this. Click the OK button. Now let us see the table. You see this. So observe the criteria here. So salary and city, either salary or city, salary or city. So if both the condition fail, then it is not displayed. Okay, this is how we can get the output. Observe this in our table. So Mumbai, it is 15,000 and this record fails. And similarly, there is one more, that is Bangalore with the salary amount less than 16,000, that also fails. So apart from that, all the records are displayed using the OR condition. So this is how we can make use of AND and OR condition. Okay, so we will look at some more examples to understand this advanced filter some more better. Say for example, I want to use between. That means, say for example, salary between 15,000 and 18,000. So how to do that? Let us see this. So the column is same. I am using between. So let me do this. So understand carefully. So these are all the symbols supported. That means this is greater than, this is less than, not equal to, equal to. So these are all the symbols which are supported. Okay. So now I want the salary header. I will place it, salary header, and I want criteria like this. That means salary should be greater than or equal to 16,000, and I will use the same header. You see this, salary less than or equal to 18,000. So this is how you can use the AND condition for the same column. You say this, select this, so this becomes the criteria range. So let us do this now. We can directly go to advanced. So observe the list range, copy to another location, list range, that is correct. So click on criteria range. So criteria range should be salary greater than or equal to 16,000 and salary less than or equal to 18,000. So where we want to place the output, so click on the cell where you want the output, that is A55. I will click the OK button. Say this, salary column, so greater than or equal to 16,000 and salary is less than or equal to 18,000. So it is displaying only the records based on the criteria given. So that is how the AND condition is working here. So AND condition can be used for other column as well as the same column. So let me take up one more example. Say I want to make use of department equal to sales or marketing. Department can be either sales or marketing. So let me use this in filter. So how to write the condition? First understand how to write the condition. So department should be either sales or marketing. So we can do this. So this becomes the criteria. So let us try this. I will make use of data tab, advanced filter. So list range is correct, copy to another location is correct. So criteria range, so let me work on the criteria range. So this is our criteria range, that is department can be either sales or marketing. So then copy to another location, then click on the cell where you want the result, that is A68. Click the OK button. See the output. So this is the criteria. So this is the criteria, that is department, sales or marketing. So based on that we got the result for advanced filter. We can take up this department, that is type of employment should be permanent and salary can be greater than 16,000. If it is not permanent also, if salary is greater than 16,000, I want to display that. So I will use the OR condition here. So let us first understand how to write the criteria. If you know how to write the criteria, then obtaining the result is not a difficult thing. So take up this type of employment. I will use this as permanent and salary, it is not and, I am using OR condition. So don't write it here, you can write it here, greater than or equal to 16,000. So this put together will become my criteria. So this is the criteria. So let me go to data tab, advanced filter, then make sure the list is correct, copy to another location, criteria range. Criteria range, what is the criteria range that we have to use it here? So that is type, department type is permanent and salary or salary greater than or equal to 16,000. So where we have to paste this. So let me bring the cursor down. So we will click it here. So I will click the OK button. Observe the output. So wherever the department, it is permanent or it should be, so permanent and 15,000 is also displayed, temporary with 16,000 is also displayed. So this is how the OR condition works. Now we will learn how to obtain the output of this advanced filter to another sheet. say I will insert a sheet here. I will insert a new sheet. So this advanced filter, I want the output to be in sheet 6. Say if I start working with this, if I select the data, say I will take up the example of the first one, that is city equals Chennai. So first I will select the record, then I will make use of advanced, okay, copy to another location. I will use the criteria range, that is criteria range is city equal to Chennai. So if I use this, and if I try to work for another sheet, see, if I try to work for another sheet, it will not give the output. That means you can only copy filtered data to the active sheet. Okay. In this case, a small technique you have to follow. That's all. A very simple technique. Start with this. Go to sheet 6. Place your cursor here. Place your cursor. Then start with the advanced filter. So place your cursor here. I am placing the cursor in A1 of sheet 6. Then I am using advanced filter, which is present in data type. So then I am making use of, then I am placing my cursor in this sheet, you see here. So select the table. So it will automatically select the table and also the sheet name. So select the table, then make use of criteria range. Criteria range is also present in advanced filter sheet. So criteria range, then copy to another location is on. Okay. Click on this and make sure your cursor is clicked on sheet 6. Click the OK button, you will get the output. So this is a very simple method that you have to follow. That means place the cursor in the sheet where you want the output, and then you start working with advanced filter. So you can get the output to new sheet. These are all the things that we learned today in advanced filter. So we know that advanced filter helps us to make use of some complex criteria. So advanced filter option is present in data tab, sort and filter group. So you can make use of criteria. That means whenever you are writing criteria, you have to make use of the column header, and then you have to give the condition. So the criteria should be present in another cell altogether apart from the table. So then whenever you are making use of advanced filter option, you have three very important things are there. That is, one is you should remember what is the list range, what is the criteria range, and also copy to another location. Apart from this, you should also know one more thing. Whenever you are going to copy to a new sheet, you have to make use of the sheet first. That means you have to place the cursor in the new sheet, and then you have to make use of advanced filter. So few more things are, all these things are supported. That is greater than, less than, and not equal to, equal to. So all these things are supported while you are working with advanced filter and the criterias.